This is 50 people, okay? And this is 200 people. It's like a big crowd, right? And this is 640 people who subscribe to this channel. And I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my journey on YouTube. And yeah, I'm very grateful for the support, and yeah, I'll appreciate it if you guys hit that like and subscribe button to make my channel grow. That would make me happy. And I wish I could do something for you guys, like a giveaway, but yeah, I'm low-key poor. Yeah, I wish I could do something to repay, but at the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much. Without God, nothing is possible. Yeah, with God, everything is possible. Like trust, and yeah, everything will work out. So thank you guys so much, and see you guys in the next video. I cannot make another video today. It's gonna be a busy day. So see you guys in the next video.